Okay, Ibrahim, just confirm your harness is secure for takeoff.
Yep, it's all good.
Great.
The western pad, and I have traffic hotel.
Tango traffic on right base for approach to the western pad of Robbie 22. Main pad cleared, stop and go.
Traffic sergeant, cleared, stop and go, Hotel Tango Tango.
Had a Yankee Tango, western pad cleared to land.
Cleared to land, western pad, Hotel Yankee Tango. Foxtrot is downwind for the main pad, stop and go.
Zulu Foxtrot, number 1 for the main pad, traffic on base for the western pad.
Traffic on base, copy. Zulu Foxtrot, stop and go for the main pad.
Thanks, our target A, X-ray, Romeo Bravo, the extra's ready, 29 right for an upwind departure.
Zulu Foxtrot, just confirming you're not cleared, stop and go, you're number 1.
Cleared, stop and go, number 1, Zulu Foxtrot.
X-ray Romeo Bravo, negative. I don't need you to say those words, just say number 1.
Copy that, Zulu Foxtrot.
X-ray Romeo Bravo, runway right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff right, X-ray, Romeo Bravo.
Bankstown Tower, Warrior, Uniform Foxtrot Yankee, prospect 1500, inbound with Bravo.
Uniform Foxtrot Yankee, join downwind, runway 29 right, maintain 1500.
Join 29 right, maintain 1500, Uniform Foxtrot Yankee.
Zulu Lima, downwind for main pad, stop and go.
Zulu Lima,
here we go.
the 20 final.
Number 2, follow 22 on final, Zulu Lima.
Zulu Foxtrot cleared, stop and go. Zulu Foxtrot cleared, stop and go.
Cleared, stop and go, Zulu Foxtrot.
Bankstown Tower, Oscar X-ray is ready, 29 right for a crosswind departure.
Oscar X-ray, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Oscar X-ray.
Hotel Tango, downwind for full stop, request western pad.
Hotel Tango, traffic's the 22 late base for the main pad, number 1 for the western pad.
Number 1 for the western pad, I'm traffic sided, Hotel Tango.
Zulu Lima, traffic mid downwind for the western pad of Robbie 44.
Traffic sided, Zulu Lima.
Not a bad deal up here, is it?
Wonderful!
For an upwind departure.
TechNam 4868, cleared for takeoff.
Please take off for TechNam 4868.
Bankstown Tower, Papa Arrow, Hotel Victor X-ray, prospect 1500 inbound with Bravo.
Hotel Victor X-ray, join downwind, runway 29 right, maintain 1500.
Downwind 29 right, maintain 1500, Hotel Victor X-ray.
Zulu Lima, cleared, stop and go.
Cleared to stop and go, Zulu Lima.
Hotel Tango, western pad, clear to land.
Clear to land, western pad, Hotel Tango.
Got Prospect Reservoir out there on the right.
Zulu Foxtrot is downwind for the main pad, stop and go.
Zulu Foxtrot. Follow the 22 airborne, lead, stop and go.
Leave stop and go. Zulu Foxtrot.
Following the 22, Zulu Foxtrot. Uniform Foxtrot Yankee downwind for full stop.
Uniform Foxtrot Yankee, clear visual approach, number 1 runway right.
Clear visual approach, runway right, Uniform Foxtrot Yankee.
Target A, Papa Tango X-ray, ready runway right for an upwind departure.
Tango X-ray, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Papa Tango X-ray.
Hotel Victor X-ray, downwind 29 right, full stop.
Out of Victor X-ray, clear visual approach, number 2 runway right, follow the Cherokee mid downwind.
29 right, cleared visual approach, Hotel Victor X-ray.
Bankstown Tower, this is Helicopter Hotel Whiskey Quebec, 2RN 1000.
We're just coming up on the M7. It's coming up just below us on the right and left.
48 South 500, Hotel Whiskey.
Where are you from, Ibrahim?
Oh, I'm from Sefton.
Sefton?
Yep. 5 minutes away from the airport.
Nice.
How long have you been flying for?
How long have I been flying for?
Yep.
It's my 22nd year, I think. 21, 22 years. Okay, we're going to keep heading out here to the west, Ibrahim, a little bit further, and then we'll climb up and get stuck into it. We'll start off reasonably gently and work our way up to the harder stuff. If you need me to stop, you can tell me. If you can't tell me for whatever reason, just put your hand in the air and I'll stop whatever I'm doing.
Terminal is Special Oscar X-ray, X-rays, in Parramatta 1,500.
Okay, so we'll pop it up a little bit higher here.
Oscar X-ray, X-ray, remain table advised.
Clear, Oscar X-ray, X-ray.
Departure, good morning, Asian 602, climb 39,000 to Flight 280, approaching Richmond.
Number 602.
Okay, make sure your harness is nice and secure there, Ibrahim.
Yep, so good.
Going to have a quick look for traffic. I've got traffic just ahead. It's our pit special.
Moving flight vectors 300 feet away from flight levels.
And we'll get stuck into it.
Go, I'm ready.
City Punches, Squibbling Quarter 790 on climb, flight levels.
And we'll start off nice and easy with a barrel roll.
Reclear to men at flight level 280.
Level 280, quarter
All the way around, down out the other side. That's not a bad view, is it?
And then we do a hammerhead next, I guess.
We're going to turn around with a wing over.
Okay. Woo.
And going back the other way.
That's a spectacular view.
It's not bad, is it?
Oh, wonderful.
That sets us up nicely for the hammerhead turn. So we'll go straight up, turn around and straight.
Vertical up, vertical down.
Yep, with a roll on the way up and a roll on the way down. So look to the left as we go up. There's the vertical, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll kick it around, we'll do a roll on the way down.
Woo-hoo! Wow!
And then we'll do the world's most famous manoeuvre, the loop-the-loop.
Yep.
You ready? Here we go.
Whoa!
Up and over we go. Look to the side, you'll see we're upside down. And what you want to do, you want to squeeze your leg and your stomach muscles as we pull through the other side. Try and keep the blood up in your head.
in your head.
Squeeze, that's it. All right. What we want to do now is make sure you're not going to fall out if we go upside down. I'll roll upside down and hold it there. If you're still there when we get back, we get to do some more good stuff.
Hopefully I'm still there.
You ready? There we go. So we're at -1G now.
-1, yep.
If we push, there's a bit of negative G. That was -2 there in the push.
Oh, okay.
We can even turn upside down so you feel a bit more negative there. And then we'll just do that -2 push again. You ready?
Let's go.
Here we go.
Woo!
There you go. And we'll roll back right side up. We'll turn around with a wing over.
Oscar X-ray 123.0.
Okay, I'm having a bit of a radio here. Can I switch to 125.5?
Okay, we'll just do a 4-point roll to the right and an 8-point roll to the left. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do 8 to the left. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we'll go all the way around without stopping so you can see just how fast we roll. Here we go, to the left.
Whoa! That's really quick.
Goes around quick, doesn't it?
Very responsive.
So we'll turn around with a hammerhead turn. Look to the left as we go up. You see the vertical there? We just kick it around to the left there. That's a quarter roll and we'll kick it around. And then we'll do a 3/4 roll on the way down. You ready? Here we go. And pull out of the dive. What I'm going to do with you now, Ibrahim, we're going to do a couple of combination manoeuvres. So these are where we link 2 manoeuvres together to make a new one.
Okay.
So the first one's called a roll off the top. It's half a loop and half a roll. And then we do the split S, which is the opposite. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go. So roll off the top. Half a loop and half a roll. 1, 2. And now we'll do the split S. So we do half a flick roll and half a loop. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. We go flick.
Whoa!
And half a loop into a half reverse Cuban 8. So we'll go up to the 45, look to the left, you'll see the 45 there, and we roll 1, 2. Now look to the left again, you'll see we're upside down at 45.
Oh, okay.
Actually a bit shallow, and then we'll do the half Cuban 8. So we'll do it like they do in Redbull Air Race. You see this one in Air Race. So it's a fast turnaround. You ready? Here we go. So we pull like we're doing a loop. But instead of going all the way around, we stop it there and roll and pull out of the dive. How was that one?
What sort of cheese was that?
That was about 6G.
That was intense.
Yeah. Well, it's going to get better.
I said that thing on the wing lets you know what angle you're flying at.
That's right, yeah.
Okay.
Doing really well there, Ibrahim. So we're going to climb up and get stuck into what we call a sequence. So this is where I link all these manoeuvres together and a few more, one after the other. A bit like what you'd see at an air show. If you need me to stop, you tell me or put your hand in the air.
No, I'm fine.
And during this, you'll hear the engine go quiet a couple of times. I bring the power back to idle. So it's perfectly normal. We're going to start this sequence with what we call a competition spin. So we're going to do 1.5 turn spin.
Sydney radar, good morning. Cessna Kilo Golf Mike is 10 miles south of Wedderburn, presently tracking north at 4,000.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Here we go, power's coming back.
1200 with IDAM, Kilo Golf Mike.
So we start with the 1.5 turn spin. And around we go. There's half, 1, 1.5. And we pull to the 45, we do a quarter roll and around the other way. And now we go straight up. Looking to the left and we do a full roll on the way up and over the top we go. It's called a Humpty, we're 0G over the top.
0G?
0.
So does that mean we're free falling?
We're weightless, yeah, and then we roll and we pull out that. And we go up to the 45. We stop it there and roll, 1 1/4 rolls, stop, and then we do a tumble. So it's like a launcher back.
Slide on this little girl.
And we stop it there. It feels out of control, but it's not. And we go into a 4-point roll. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, up and over we go. Go into 45 down, which is basically a half Cuban 8. We do a couple of rolls on the way down. And now we go straight up. And we roll. And if you look to the left, watch the string on the left, watch it, watch it, watch it. Do a tail slide. There we go, power's back and down we go. Alright, you're up for a bit more negative G here, Ibrahim. Bit more negative G, we're going to roll upside down and push. That was about -3G there with the push. We kick it around, quarter roll on the way up. We're going to do a 3/4 flick roll on the way down. You ready? Here we go flick. We pull out of the dive and into a rolling circle. So we're turning and rolling at the same time. And we're doing 2 rolls to 180 degrees of turn.
I need a bit of a rest, I think.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay. You only had a couple more to go in that. It's a good workout, isn't it?
It's beautiful. Actually tiring.
Yeah, a little bit. Before we head back, Ibrahim, I want to do the Redbull Air Race turn. Or the Quadro. Have you seen the Quadro on Air Race? How they go through that 4-posted red gate? Yep. So we're going to simulate that. There's the pit special down there below us on the right. See it? Little red one. He's just gone under us, yeah. So what we're going to do to simulate the Quadro, we're going to dive it down to about 200 knots, which is 370 kilometres an hour. And then we'll simulate going through it. So we'll go knife edge, 270 degree hard turn and back to knife edge. Okay. You up for that? Yep. This will be the most intense thing you've done. You really need to squeeze your leg and stomach muscles to keep the blood in your head.
Yep.
You're going to experience between 7 and 8G during the turn. Just make sure there's no one below us to get in our way. We've got traffic off to the right, he's clear. Yeah, I think the only traffic's going to be the pits. Got traffic, you okay?
Yep, let's go.
Alright, we've got the traffic to pass. So when you feel the aircraft level off from the dive, that's when you want to tighten those leg and stomach muscles. Try and keep that blood in your head. There's the pitch well clear. Here we go. So when I say, okay, we level off here, we go knife edge and turn. And knife edge.
Oh, I almost lost it there. I waited out. Oh, that was unbelievable.
It's not bad, is it? Get the blood back in our heads. Yeah.
Almost G-lock.
So you did well, we got nearly 8G on that one, about 7.8 G. There's the microphone, please. Okay.
And Kilo Echo is downwind runway 29 right.
Kilo, ground or town, notify receipt of Charlie. Bankstown, terminal information, Charlie. Runway 29 right for arrivals and departures, frequency 132.8. Runway 29 left for circuit training, frequency 123.6. Runway 29 is centre active. Wind variable 5 knots, cab OK. Temperature 13, QNH 1024. On first contact with Bankstown ground or tower, notify receipt of Charlie.
Down there on the left you got the drags at Eastern Creek, near Eastern Creek.
Oh, is that Eastern Creek?
Western Sydney drags.
Oh, okay.
Bankstown Tower, Foxtrot Prospect 1500, receive Charlie inbound.
Triple Fox, join downwind, runway 29 right, maintain 1500. And traffic ahead of you is a TechNam about 2 miles southeast of Prospect.
Triple Fox, downwind 29 right, 1500 and looking for traffic, thanks.
Kilo Echo, clear to land.
Clear to land, Kilo Echo.
And Bankstown Tower, X-ray Romeo Bravo, the extra is also Prospect 1500 inbound with Charlie, have Triple Fox vision.
X-ray Romeo Bravo, join downwind, runway 29 right, maintain 1005. And if you're quicker, you can pass Triple Fox.
Join downwind 29 1500 and yeah, I'll get past Triple Fox.